Ready to turn your living room into a cinema-grade sound sanctuary? From blockbuster-worthy surround sound to jaw-dropping 8K video support, today's AV receivers are packing serious punch. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best AV receivers of 2025, the models that blend power, precision, and pure entertainment. Let's dive into the ultimate sound showdown. Kicking off our list is the Marantz Cinema 30, a true masterpiece in the realm of AV receivers. This 11.4-channel powerhouse delivers 140W per channel, ensuring a rich and immersive audio experience that brings your favorite movies and music to life. Equipped with 7 HDMI 2.1 inputs, the Cinema 30 supports 8K video pass-through and upscaling, making it future-proof for the latest high-definition content. It boasts compatibility with Dolby Atmos, DTS, X Pro, Auro 3D, and IMAX Enhanced, offering a versatile and dynamic surround sound experience. For audiophiles seeking precision, the Cinema 30 features Odyssey Multiple EQ XT32 room calibration, with optional Dirac Live support for advanced tuning. Its HUS built-in technology allows for seamless multi-room streaming, integrating effortlessly with services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music HD. Crafted with a copper-plated chassis and toroidal transformer, this receiver not only performs exceptionally but also exudes elegance. With voice control compatibility and a sleek design, the Marantz Cinema 30 is a top-tier choice for any home theater enthusiast. Experience the ultimate in audio-visual performance with the Marantz Cinema 30. At number 4, the Denon AVR-X6800H stands as a testament to Denon's commitment to delivering premium audio experiences. This 11.4-channel AV receiver boasts 140W per channel, ensuring robust and dynamic sound reproduction for any home theater setup. Engineered in Japan, the AVR-X6800H supports a plethora of immersive audio formats, including Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, IMAX Enhanced, and Auro 3D, enveloping listeners in a three-dimensional soundscape. Its 8K Ultra HD support across all 7 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs guarantees compatibility with the latest video content, offering stunning clarity and detail. The built-in HUS technology allows for seamless wireless streaming throughout your home. Integrating with popular services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music HD, advanced room calibration is achieved through Odyssey Multiple EQ XT32, with optional Dirac Live support for precise acoustic tuning. With features like AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and compatibility with voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant, the AVR-X6800H offers unparalleled connectivity and control. Its sleek design and superior build quality make it a standout choice for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts alike. Experience the pinnacle of audio-visual performance with the Denon AVR-X6800H. At number 3, the Arcam AVR5 stands out as a remarkable blend of high-fidelity audio and immersive home theater experience. This 7.2-channel AV receiver delivers 80W per channel, 2 channels driven into 8 ohms, 20 Hz, 20 kHz, 0.02% THD, ensuring rich and dynamic sound reproduction. The AVR5 supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, X 7.1.4 decoding, providing a three-dimensional soundscape that brings movies and music to life. Saturn Zero Search 1 its ESS 9026 Pro audiophile DACs ensure high-resolution audio playback with exceptional clarity. Connectivity is robust with 7 HDMI 2.0B inputs and 2 outputs, all supporting 4K UHD video, HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision. While it lacks HDMI 2.1 features, it compensates with eARC compatibility for high-quality audio transmission from your TV. Streaming is seamless with built-in Apple AirPlay 2, Google Chromecast, Bluetooth aptX HD, and support for MQA and Roon Ready. The AVR5 is also Dirac Live Ready, allowing for advanced room correction to optimize your listening environment. Securing the second spot is the Denon AVR-X2800H, a 7.2-channel AV receiver that masterfully blends performance and versatility. Delivering 95 W per channel, 8 ohms, 20 Hz, 20 kHz, 0.08% THD, it fills medium-sized rooms with dynamic, high-fidelity sound. Experience immersive 3D audio with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and Dolby Atmos height virtualization, creating a captivating soundstage that envelopes you in every scene. The AVR-X2800H is future-ready with 8K Ultra HD support on 3 of its 6 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, ensuring compatibility with the latest video formats. It also supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and Dynamic HDR, delivering stunning visuals with exceptional clarity and contrast. Stay connected with built-in HES, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, allowing seamless streaming from services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music HD. Voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri adds convenience to your setup. Advanced room calibration is achieved through Odyssey Multiply QXT, optimizing audio performance for your specific environment. The Denon AVR-X2800H, a versatile powerhouse that elevates your home theater experience. Topping our list is the Sony STR-AN1000, a 7.2-channel AV receiver that masterfully combines cutting-edge technology with immersive audio experiences. Delivering up to 165 W per channel at 6 ohms, it ensures powerful and dynamic sound reproduction for any home theater setup. Experience the pinnacle of surround sound with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and 360 reality audio, enveloping you in a three-dimensional soundscape that brings movies and music to life. The innovative 360 spatial sound mapping technology, combined with digital cinema auto calibration 9, creates an immersive audio environment tailored to your room's acoustics. The STR-AN1000 is future-ready with 8K and 4K per 120 Hz HDMI 2.1 connectivity, featuring 6 inputs and 2 outputs, ensuring compatibility with the latest video formats. Saturn Zero Surge 6. It also supports leading HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, and IMAX Enhanced, delivering stunning visuals with exceptional clarity and contrast. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, Google Chromecast, and Spotify Connect, allowing seamless streaming from your favorite services. Integration with Sonos systems further enhances its versatility, making it a central hub for your home entertainment. The Sony STR-AN1000, a harmonious blend of innovation and performance, redefining the home theater experience.